Seafood is very popular in the Caribbean, and this hot pepper shrimp is a particularly popular street food in Jamaica, and it's very easy to make. You can do it in under 15 minutes. So first of all, I'm going to chop up 1/3 of an onion. Next, you can't forget the Scotch bonnet. So here I'm taking 1 whole Scotch bonnet and I'm chopping this up. You want to leave the seeds in to get this meal really hot. This meal is popular for its heat, so don't be shy with the Scotch bonnet. Then I'm going to take a few cloves of garlic. I always smash these just because it makes it easier to dice them up, and then you just want to dice these nice and fine. Moving on to the shrimp. So this is shell on, head on, uncooked shrimp. First of all, you want to wash it and devein it using water and lemon juice. And then we're going to start to season it. So I'm using some salt, some black pepper, some all-purpose, some paprika, which gives it some of its colour, some fish seasoning, and then I'm adding all those vegetables that we just chopped up. Now with this recipe, you want to go for the shell on prawns. Obviously you can do it with regular prawns as well, but there's something about the shell on prawns that just holds so much more taste. So if you can find these, definitely go for them. So bringing it all together, I've got a wok here and I'm adding a little bit of butter, and then I'm just going to chuck in everything, the prawns, the vegetables, and you just want to start to cook it until the prawns are pink. So prawns cook very fast, so the prawns will basically turn pink and be cooked within 3 minutes or something. Then you want to add a little bit of water. So I'm using the bowl that we use to season our shrimp, just to get all of those flavors in there, and you just want to continue to cook the prawns down. Then you also want to squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, and then you just want to toss this around and continue cooking it, and add a tiny bit of red food colouring to get the red colour. So this is absolutely optional, but the red colour does give it its distinct look. Garnish with parsley and enjoy this delicious meal. It's a very popular street food. It feels like the red colour gives it its look, and it's also a warning sign of the heat that's to come. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.